Hello.
Hello,
Hello. Hi, Jafar. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, good. Thank you. Not bad. It's a good day here in.
Yeah, it seems like a sunny day there.
Yeah,
I
it's
can see the
it's
window.
yeah. Oh yeah, true. Yeah. It's fairly cold. I would say it's a coldish,
hmm
coldish day, but it's still quite nice.
Oh, nice. So it's already spring there? Spring or autumn?
Summer.
Summer. And it's cold. Summer and it's cold.
It's
That's weird.
well, yeah, yeah, true. Normally it's it. Well, I've only been here. I've only been in New Zealand for 9 months. So
Ah, so it's New Zealand. Yeah,
yeah,
I
I'm
see why.
currently living in New Zealand, but
Yeah, I,
from
I
the
think I think it's always cold there.
it's actually in New Zealand. In the UK, it's always cold and
Yeah,
rainy.
that's why a lot of you guys, travel
Uh,
out of the country. It's
yeah,
because of the
sure.
weather.
Yeah, I mean, I was looking. I was looking the other day to for potentially living in Turkey.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
because
Turkey has a warm weather.
yeah, sure, and quite good price
Yeah,
for
it's affordable, the
affordable.
cost of
Yeah,
living.
I see you're from Morocco.
Yeah, Morocco is a warm country as well.
Yeah, no, I have
And
been.
it's much yeah, it's much more affordable or
Yeah, is Morocco good
to
for
live in.
contract prices
Yeah, the
living?
cost the cost of living here for foreigners is low. A lot of people choose to stay here forever to,
What is what currency do you have in Morocco?
you have Moroccan dirham.
Moroccan dirham. Okay,
Moroccan dirham.
Moroccan dirham. Let me see.
Yours is pound, I think.
Yeah, pound. I personally get I personally with my job I get US dollars, but
Ah,
yeah,
yeah. Maybe
pound.
so. It's 11 dirhams, I think.
Okay. Moroccan dirham. So
Almost 12 dirhams.
really, wow.
Or
Um,
I don't know if it's, no, it's not. I'm not sure. Maybe
so $1 is nine dirham.
yeah, the $1. I thought you're searching about pound.
Oh no, sorry, I was searching dollar.
Ah,
Uh,
okay, it's 9. And the
what?
euros, it's 11 or sometimes 10.
Okay.
Between 10 and 11.
And what's the average salary in Morocco, Jafar?
Hmm. I'm not sure about that, but it's low
Low,
compared to
yeah,
the cost of living.
yeah.
It's low. It's to, let's say, $300
Okay. And how
for
much cost of living, like rent in Morocco, or
rent. Let's say a decent apartment, like, yeah, a good apartment can cost you up till $250
a month?
a month. Yeah, and
Wow. Okay.
$200, sometimes $150.
Okay.
So it
Okay. Well, that's
depends on
good.
your needs. Like if you have a family and you need a big house in in the city center,
Yeah.
it's probably gonna cost you a lot of money to rent an apartment, like 350 dollars. Yeah,
Wow. And that's a month.
yeah, a month. Do
That
you guys
seems
have a
very,
different,
very
a different,
yeah.
a year at
So
least? Ah, I see.
no, well, we have a month. We have a month, but
Mm-hmm.
it's interesting because so for I think the average salary uh, in England, or no, or the average salary in America is for dirham, we would get maybe 12,800 dirham, Moroccan dirham,
Oh, yeah,
for
it's really
a
good.
month.
That's
So
that's like a very good salary for someone who's living here.
really, wow, yeah,
For
wow,
ex- for example, who is someone who is living here and working a good job and
yeah,
getting that amount of money, it's a really good amount to, you
to live.
know, to live. Yeah.
Wow, yeah, that's why I'm thinking about maybe moving to Morocco or Turkey or Greece.
Yeah,
Some,
Morocco is I don't know, you would like the weather here, the people as
I,
well, and it's not that it's a very open country. So even if it's,
is it safe?
yeah, it's safe. It's a religious country, but it's not that strict. You can do whatever you
Yeah,
want.
sure, sure. Uh, uh, is there many Westerners and many people that come to live in Morocco?
Yeah, there are many, like, let's say old people, but not just old.
Sure.
From
Yeah,
France, there is people from the United States who like to surf. So they come here. There are a lot of beaches.
yeah,
The
I've
weather is
surfed.
nice.
Surfed in Morocco.
So yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah, I have been once. I
Oh,
went
really?
to Yeah, I went to Marrakesh.
That's nice. Everyone
Uh,
comes to
Everyone goes
Marrakesh.
to Marrakesh. Yeah. And then I went somewhere, I can't remember where, but I stayed in like a surfing
Camp.
hostel camp. Yeah.
Let's maybe in Tagazout. It's famous.
Yeah,
Agadir.
maybe there. Yeah.
Yeah, those
Um,
areas are the destination for people who like surfing to travel
sure.
and stay there.
Sure. Yeah, it was good. I liked Morocco. The weather was nice. The food was good.
Yeah, so just Marrakesh.
Yeah, just Marrakesh. Yeah, just Marrakesh. I was only in Morocco for a week,
Mm-hmm.
so I spent most of the day surfing, and then
Mm-hmm.
the rest.
Did you come
Uh,
alone?
I went with my family actually. At the time, I think I was 20.
So
Uh,
20. Oh, that's
I'm now
nice.
26, so a little bit older.
6 years. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's a lot of time passed.
it is a lot of time. A lot of time passed. Yeah, certainly got
Yeah.
older.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh my God, it's inevitable. Oh my God, we cannot stop time. So yeah,
exactly.
let's just deal with it and forget the numbers. I'm
Exactly.
23, and you look younger than me, but you have
Ah,
beard. So
well, thank you. Yeah, well, you're a lot more. You're a lot more tanned than I am. I'm too
no,
pale.
no, it's because of the light. I'm so white and
Oh,
pale
right.
as well. Yeah, it's because of the light, because it's not white light in my
Oh,
room.
okay. Yeah, yeah. I'm very pale right now. Do you?
Yeah.
So what do you do, Jafar? What is your profession? If or are you studying? Or?
I work in industrial field as a designer in the
Nice.
automotive field.
Oh, electric vehicles or what?
Mm, Not specifically electric vehicles, but we just make some tools that's manufacture car parts
Okay,
by, yeah, it's
brilliant.
produced by press and something like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And have you been doing that for a long time?
3 years since I was 20, or yeah.
And you studied at university for that?
No,
Or?
university. I studied at the trade school for 2 years. I got my diploma, and yeah, I was lucky to find a job right
Amazing.
after I finished my.
And it's a reasonable job for in Morocco. Is it quite good? Quite
Yeah, it's
reasonable.
good. It's good for me.
Good.
Yeah. What about you? What do you do?
So most at the moment, because of the pandemic, I am
Mhm.
mostly teaching on Cambly. But before Cambly, I was and am a actor and a singer.
Nice. That's cool.
It's good fun, but unfortunately, there are no jobs at the moment.
Ah, yeah.
So,
Yeah, the business of movies, or I don't know,
yes, yeah.
the show business
Movies,
or something like that.
show business. Yeah,
Show business, yeah, got affected so much by this
yeah,
pandemic.
yeah, massively. It was, yeah, it's been
So, yeah. So is that the only thing that you're doing?
yeah. Well, now I do about 10 hours a day on Cambly,
That's good, yeah.
7 days a week. So I do weekends as well.
Yeah,
So I
so if
do
you're
have
living in Morocco, it's gonna be good for you to have like 10 hours of of work on
well,
Cambly. You're gonna
yeah,
gain.
maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. But equally, sometimes you want to enjoy the weekend. But at the moment, I'm working towards not enjoying the weekends and
Yeah.
making.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have to let go of some things. So
Yes, I have to sacrifice.
to sacrifice, yeah, you can
Yeah,
survive.
survive. Yeah, make a living. Yeah, I mean the other thing I like to do is I invest. I invest money
Nice. Like in what?
in stock market.
Cryptocurrencies?
Not in currencies, in the stock market, in businesses.
That's
Uh,
nice.
so mostly at the moment, I've invested in companies that pay me to
Like
have them, like dividends.
quarterly or something like
Yeah,
that?
quarterly, and I have some that are quarterly, and I have some that are monthly.
That's nice. I want to do something like that, but I don't know from where to start because there is a lot of scam out there. I
Yeah, you
tried
got
my
to be
chance with cryptocurrencies. I know about it, but I'm always losing, so I just let it go.
sure. Yeah.
You you
Crypto.
cannot predict what's gonna happen, you know?
No, sure. Um, yeah, I mean, personally, you just do a little bit of research, and you will
Mm-hmm.
find they're called brokers. You will find a broker
Broker, yeah.
that you can use, and I use one called Trading 212, which is a UK based one. They're very safe, no scamming,
That's
and
nice.
yeah,
Is it
you basically
rewarding?
is it rewarding?
Yeah.
Yeah, very. I think it's great because yes, your money will go up and down, but the main thing is your money isn't being spent, or it's not lying still doing nothing.
Yeah, that's you know,
So you're
that's
making money
yeah.
while making,
For
you know,
example, if you have money in your bank account just sitting there
it doesn't
and
do
you are
anything.
paying for them to be there, to stay there.
Exactly. So like,
It's nonsense. It's useless.
yeah, exactly. And the good thing about uh, it's called dividend investing. The good thing about getting dividends from companies is when you've made enough money from your normal job and you put money into that investing, eventually you'll
Yeah.
get to a time where you'll be able to pay all of your bills by dividends,
Yeah, only by those investings
by
that you
those
have done,
investing. Yeah,
there you are able to pay your billings.
yeah.
Then your salary is all yours. That's the nice
Exactly,
part of it.
exactly. At the
Yeah,
moment, I get about $100 a month
that's
in
cool.
dividends.
And can you, I don't know, how much did you invest? Like the first number
Uh,
in your mind?
so
Not
yeah, sure.
exactly.
So far, for me, I've got about $5,000.
Well, if 5,000 makes you like $100 a month, it's really good.
Yeah,
It's a really good
well,
investment.
it's some of it has been luck because I've invested in quite risky companies,
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
but yeah, yeah, I around about I think it's around about $80 to $100.
Well,
It
it's
depends
good.
on.
Coming, you have your original amount of money that you invested is there. You can take it whenever you want,
Sure,
and there is an additional, gain. It's
sure.
nice. So it's 8 seconds. You have to go by. Maybe we can talk
Yeah, goodbye.
later.
It's been good.
Bye bye.
Hopefully,
Thank you.
hopefully talk again soon.
Bye bye.